Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Suzuki SV650. So this one's a 2017 on a 17 plate, some 10,636 miles from new, and it is a really nice clean bike with some good extras. So it's got the radiator guard on there, it's got the fly screen as well. Coming across you'll see it has also got the R&G protection, it's got a Delquick exhaust as well, which I think sounds really good, so I'll rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it. And then you've also got the Suzuki top box and a tail tidy. But brilliant bike of these, you can ride on an A2 licence as well with a restrictor kit. You get a full digital display, you got your ABS there as you can see, you get a fuel gauge, you get a gear indicator. And they are a brilliant bike. Obviously SV650 has been around for a hell of a long time, well into the 90s, so it's been around for well over, well probably come up to 30 years now. Anyway, mega bike, fantastic to ride, they sound good. And I think they're great value for money as well. So if you do want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.